Okay, so this is the Rustler, almost done. Had made this due to the fact that whatever I do, it's about to take a lift off. So it's not done. It's gonna be painted, stuff like that. And I need to shorten it a little bit. So I'm not sure if you can see this. It's actually longer than the bumper itself. So it's just there to add weight in the front. Aluminum parts. The arms is gonna be red RPG, and the shocks is gonna be Traxxas GTR, and those are red as well. So just an upgrade. As for the chassis, roll cage, basically all the aluminum parts is Integy. Yeah, the wing is a 4x4 Rustler wing, so I had to make an custom fit to make it work. Happy with that one. And had to upgrade to Easy Run, Hobbywing. The old one burned. Wonder why. Guess I failed to read up on the tightening of the clutch, so ended up eating all my Panzer gears, and yeah, so fixed that and added carbon fiber slipper clutch pads, some hot racing parts here, as you can see. It's working great. This is actually a Chinese aluminum whatever, I'm not sure. It's cheap, works well, fans are good, not too noisy, does the job. Other than that, yeah, so my little red aluminum smile makes me so happy. Works well. So when I get the final two pieces, I'm trying to get the GPS speedrun, but yeah, in Norway we have to wait until the spring arrives at least to get some decent driving conditions. So as for now, it's just gonna be testing and slow. Yeah, just make sure it all works. So there you go, just a little showcase